Students, how are you? Are you okay? In this video, we are review the lessons we are studied in the school. In the second semester, students, we are studied or we are started from chapter 8. Chapter 8 is about number theory. In the first lesson in chapter 8, we have divisibility. Now we study today we study about the divisibility or review the divisibility. Now we review the divisibility at page 128. What do you mean divisibility, student? We need to know a number is divisibility by another number when the quotient is whole number and the remainder is 0. If we have the remainder of 0 and the quotient is whole number. We have some rules for divisibility. We have look at the divisibility rules. In this table we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. How do you know the number is divisibility by each of one? A number is divisibility by 2 if the last digit is an even number. What do you mean that? If the last digit is even number, it means the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If which one, if the last digit each one of these numbers we have, it means this number is divisible by 2. For example, we have 324. Is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it's divisible because the last digit is 4. 4 is divisible by 2, so 324 also divisible by 2. And this example we have 753. Is divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is 3. Is odd number, is not even number, so is not divisible by 3. So 753 also is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. And if a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3. What do you mean the sum of digits? For example, we have 612. If we sum all digits is divisible by 3. 612 also divisible by 3. We have 6. 6, 1 and 2. 6 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 612 also divisible by 3 because the sum of digits is divisible by 9. Equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 612 also divisible by 3. And we have 7540 is divisible by 3. We need to find the sum. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 12 plus 4 equal to 16. 16 is divisible by 3? No. So 7540 is not divisible by 3. The rule for 4, if a number is divisible by 4, if the last two digits form a number is divisible by 4. What do you mean the last two digits? We have 6028 is divisible by 4. How do you know? Just look the last two digits. In the last two digits we have 28. 28 is divisible by 4? Yeah, because equal to equal to 7. So 628 also divisible by 4. And if we look, we have 861 is divisible by 4. No, because 61 is not divisible by 4. The last two digits we have 61. 61 is not divisible by 4, so 861 is not divisible by 4. And if we look the rule of 5, if the last two digits is 0 or 5, it means the last the last digit, just last digit, one last digit. If we 0 or 5, we have 5 there, it means it's divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. And I write this example 170, the last digit is 0, so 170 also divisible by 5. And we have this example 654 is divisible by 5. No, because the last digit is 0, is not divisible, is not 0 or 5, so it's not divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, also divisible by 6. What means that? For example, we have 3132. Is divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is even. 2 is even number. And is divisible by 3? Yes. How do you know? Find the sum of digits. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So this number also divisible by 3. And divisible by 2, it means also divisible by 6, because divisible by 2 and 3. Because the rules say if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, also divisible by 6. And we have 982 is divisible by 2. Yeah, because the last digit is even number. Is divisible by 3? No, because 9 plus 8 equal to 17. 17 plus 2 equal to 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. And because it's not divisible by 3, is not divisible by 6. We need to find divisible by 2 and 3. After that, divisible by 6. And the rule is of 9, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Find the sum of digits. We have, if divisible by 9, this number also divisible by 9. We have 9 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 equal to what? I write it. Okay, 9 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 18. So because 18 is divisible by 9, so 9423 also divisible by 9. And if you look this example, we have 632. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 9? No. So 6032 is not divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. For example, we have 450 is divisible by 10. Yes, because the last digit is 0. And this example, we have 7365 is divisible by 10. No, because the last digit is 5, is not 0. Look, student, for 10 just last digit is 0, but for 5, 0 and 5. And if you look the rule for 3 and 9 have the same rule, but any number is divisible by 9, also divisible by 3. But any number is divisible by 3 is not might be not divisible by 9. Students, be caution. And now we solve the practices. We have solved some practices. Okay, the practices say tell if each number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 10. Look, a number is divisible by 10. How? Divisible by, 10 is divisible by which one of them? We have divisible by 2, yes, because the last digit is even number, 0 is even number. And divisible by 3, no, because find the sum, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 divisible by 3, no, so it's not divisible by 3. Divisible by 4, no, because the last two digits, we have just two digits, so the last two digits we have 10. 10 is divisible by 4, no. And divisible by 5, yes, because the last digit 0. If the last digit 0 or 5 is divisible by 5, we have 0 is divisible by 5. And divisible by 6 is no, because it's not divisible by 3. Yes, divisible by 2, but it's not divisible by 3. And the rule for 6 say if any number divisible by 2 and 3 is divisible by 6, so 10 is not divisible by 6. And divisible by 9, no, because the sum of digits equal to 1. 1 is not divisible by 9. Divisible by 10, yes, because the last digit is 0. And this example we have 18. 18 divisible by 2 because the last digit is even, and divisible by 3, yes, because find the sum. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 9 divisible by 3, and 18 also divisible by 3. Divisible by 6, yes, because it's divisible by 2 and 3. Is divisible by 4? No, because the last two digit is not divisible by 4. Divisible by 5? No, because it's not 0 or 5 the last digit. And divisible by 9? Yes, because it finds the sum equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Divisible by 10? No, because the last digit is not 0. In this example also divisible by 2 because last digit is even. Divisible by 3 because find the sum of digits. Find the sum equal to 3. 3 is divisible by 3. And divisible by 4? No, because the last digit equal to 30. 30 is not divisible by 4. Divisible by 5? Yes, because the last digit is 0. Divisible by 6? Yes, because divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 9? No, because find the sum equal to 3. 3 is not divisible by 9, just divisible by 3. Because the sum of the divisible by 3 but is not divisible by 9. And divisible by 10? Yes, because the last digit is equal to 0, 0, so it's divisible by 10. And we have 56 divisible by 2. Yes, because last digit is 6. 6 is even number, divisible by 2. Divisible by 3? No, because if we find the sum equal to 11, 5 plus 6 equal to 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, so 56 is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 4? Yes, because if we find 56, the last two digits, divisible by 4? Yes, because equal to 14. If we divide by 4 equal to 14, so divisible by 4. Divisible by 5? No, because it's not 0 or 5 the last digit. And divisible by 6? No, because it's not divisible by 3. Divisible by 9? No, because find the sum equal to 11. 11 is not divisible by 9, so 56 is not divisible by 9, and is not divisible by 10 because last digit is not 0. And this example we have 72 divisible by 2 because even number, divisible by 3 because the sum equal to 9. 9 divisible by 3, so 70 also divisible by 3. Divisible by 4? Yes, and divisible by 6 because divisible by 2 and 4. The last two digits is divisible by 4, student. And divisible by 9 because find the sum equal to 9. 9 is also divisible by 9, so 70 also divisible by 9. And now we solve more practices. And now we have 24 in this practice 7 at page 129. We have 24 in practice 7. Also is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 10. 24 divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is even. Divisible by 3? Yes, because the sum of digits equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so 24 also divisible by 3. Divisible by 4? Yes, because the last two digits is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. And divisible by 5? No, because the last digit is not 0 or 5. And divisible by 6? Yes, because divisible by 2 and 3 also divisible by 6. Divisible by 9, students? No, because equal to 6 the sum of digits. 6 is divisible by 9? No, so 24 is not divisible by 9. And divisible by 10? No, because last digit equal to 4 is not 0, so it's not divisible by 10. Practice 8 we have 45. Divisible by 2? No, because last digit is odd number, is not even number. 5 is odd, so it's not divisible by 2. Divisible by 3? Yes, because find the sum equal to 9. 9 divisible by 3, so 45 also divisible by 3. Divisible by 4? No, because find the sum, the last two digits equal to 45. 45 divisible by 4? No, it's not divisible because you have remainder. And divisible by 5? Yes, because the last digit is 5. Also divisible by 5. And divisible by 6? No, because it's not divisible by 2. Divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2, so it's not divisible by 6. And divisible by 9? Yeah, because 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 45 also divisible by 9. Divisible by 10? No, because the last digit is not 0. and 120, 108 also divisible by 2, 4, 6 and 9. 130 also divisible by 2, 5 and 10. And 185 just divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. Is not divisible by 2 because it's odd number. Is not by 3 because find the sum is not divisible. The last digit is not divisible by 4, and it is not divisible by 6 and 9 and 10 just divisible by 5. I think that's enough for this lesson, students. I hope to see you again. Goodbye, students.